Hey everyone, it's Crazy Cooter coming at you. Back with another video. Not a riding video this time, but that's okay. We'll get there. It's not that warm out. Well, it's warm enough really, but I'm wearing shorts right now and my jeans are in the wash because I'm over at my dad's house doing laundry. But I'm standing in his garage for a reason. Had something done really cool to the scooter. Just got finished up. I'm here to show you this little remote here that you see in my hand. We'll hit that button. I got a light kit installed on my scooter. Flashes lights all different colors, as you can see. This button right here I can just make it stay one color. I can switch the colors. I can hit that button and it'll make them flash. I hit it and again it'll change the color, which will stop the flash. And again, it just looks really cool. And the cool thing about this is, this remote controls the lights on my dad's bike as well. Because he's got the exact same light kit on his bike. So, that's awesome. I just love this thing. These lights are awesome as hell. Of course, this button turns them on and off. I like the blue. Like this light blue. That color is okay. It's like a pinkish color. The dark purple there. That's their, I don't know what the color, call that color, but that's cool. There's a clear that looks really nice. I've sold, it looks really sharp when it's really dark outside. Plus you got the flashing colors. So that's really neat. I love this little kit. It was a 12-piece kit that I bought, but not all 12 lights would fit on. But it looks really sharp. Happy with the install. So I'm just happy, period, to have these lights on. Hopefully when I'm riding at night, with these on, I won't get hit. So I'm looking forward to riding at night with these lights on. So until I see y'all and talk to y'all in the next one, happy riding out there. Talk to y'all in the next one. This is Crazy Cooter Scooter, over and out.